So a quick one for those of us that just got our new pond installed. In case you just newly, install a pond, you have to do what you're seeing on your screen now. You have to fertilize your pond. You have to prepare your pond before stocking your seeds. You have to get these plantain stalks and put it in your pond and leave it for good 7 days until you start seeing mosquito larvae coming out from this pond. This is actually the first day. We are leaving this for good 7 days before bringing it out and rinsing and putting in fresh water. But note, before doing this, you have to wash out your pond with salt, with sodium chloride salt. Wash it out with salt, then get some banana stalks and put it in your pond and put in fresh water. Leave for 7 days. Bring out, wash your pond, put in fresh water, leave the fresh water for good 24 hours before putting in your fingerlings. Do that and save yourself from mortality and other forms of disease. Another good reason for doing this before stocking your fingerlings is that it will prepare this pond to be like a natural habitat for your fish. It will make them feel as if they are, they're in the river. They will feel so comfortable. So it will be like their natural habitat when you do that fertilization for them with those plantain stalks. So as you can see from the video, this was when I was trying to get the banana stalks. In case you have this on your farm, you have banana trees in your farm, it's a big plus for you. So you don't need to be going anywhere to scout for banana stalks. So this is actually the place where I got the banana stalks from. It was a bit far from my farm, so I have no other choice than to go get it. I have no other choice. So in case you have enough space on your farm, you can plant trees like this on your farm so that when you need it, it will just be like a stone throw for you. Just pluck it and make use of it. So as you can see, I was trying to get the banana stalks here. I made sure I got enough of it, because I actually fertilized almost 5 ponds. 5 ponds of about 9 18 by 5, 3 18 by 5, and 2 10 by 5. So you can see how big the pond is. So I had to plug enough plantain, enough banana stalks to use, so that I won't be coming back again to come and get it. So that will be that for today. Like I said earlier, it's very, very important for you to fertilize your pond before putting your fingerlings, your juveniles, your post fingerlings. It's very, very paramount. It is very, very important. It is non-negotiable. It is very, very important you do that. If you don't do that, if you have your seeds in your pond without treating your pond, they will start dropping, because those ponds they came with different chemicals. When you newly get your pond, you will notice that chemicals will be smelling all over the material, the pond. So it's very important you fertilize your pond. So that'll be that for today. Thanks for watching today's video.